For a change, in this video you won't see any images of burning rainforests, rising sea levels or melting icebergs. Because Ailuna is all about hope, passion and positivity. Whether you believe in climate change or not, people and organizations are starting to realize the importance of taking better care of the environment, the importance of change. Our mission is to build a global world-class platform that enables people and companies to search and connect, exchange knowledge and ideas, transact products and services in order to become much more sustainable. Sustainability is a mega trend in which Ailuna is perfectly positioned to make lasting impact and to build a successful business.
But change is hard and pace is slow. Many feel alone in creating a better future.
We know that our global platform vision is huge, so we'll take it one step at a time. Our first step? Creating something truly impactful.
And what is the one thing most of us need to do to become more sustainable? It's simply to build better habits.
So our first offering is our unique habit building app, which we've built from the bottom up based on behavioural science.
Our app enables people and organisations to connect with one another and exchange tips and tricks, change together to become sustainability champions.
Small changes have massive impact if enough people make them.
On the back of a small angel investment and funding from ourselves, we have achieved incredible results. We've built a proprietary backend and engine which enables us to release new dares quickly. And most importantly, we've built a great team with people in the UK, US, Germany, Denmark, Switzerland, Lithuania and Australia. We've done all of this with zero debt.
Our app is now being used in more than 50 countries. With Ailuna, you positively drive change by nominating friends, family or colleagues to take dares. Or you can dare yourself to change. Once you've picked a habit to change and accepted the dare, you join a growing list of community members who are all building greener habits.
At Ailuna, we are approaching sustainable habit building in a new way. Rather than having you do a new thing every day, we have designed Ailuna to help you build new habits, one habit at a time. Each dare or habit building program is built as 3 stages and takes a month to complete. After a month, you will be well on the way to having built a new habit and ready for another one.
Ailuna makes it so simple to start learning and making small changes to live a more sustainable lifestyle.
I really found the Ailuna app helpful in terms of just thinking about how much plastic I was actually using, particularly when it came to buying things like fruit and veggies at the supermarket.
Ailuna has showed me the ways how I can change my habits so that our planet is a better place to live for me and also for my children.
We invested more than a year in developing our own proprietary engine, which gives us the functionality, data and analytics we need. We have also begun implementing AI and machine learning in our development. This will help us customize the user experience, content, communication and nudging of our users even more.
We now want to go further by launching Ailuna for X. With X meaning Ailuna for business, Ailuna for education, Ailuna for government and Ailuna for charities and NGOs. Ailuna for X will not only help you drive positive impacts for your organisation, but engage your employees, help drive impactful outcomes for your organisation and your brand.
In my role as Chief of Staff at Global Support and Development, where we provide disaster relief around the world, I have seen the importance of the UN's Sustainable Development Goals firsthand. In a recent large enterprise survey published by PwC, 25% of the companies surveyed have included SDGs in their published business strategy, and 72% mention the SDGs in their annual reports. According to the UN, the SDGs represent a $12 trillion market opportunity for the private sector. And in order to meet the SDGs, employee engagement will be very important. Ailuna is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this opportunity for many years to come.
With Ailuna's Training Change framework, combined with Virtuosa Team's research and framework, we have a powerful combination that we believe can make a real difference in this space.
Once you are able to get your hands around what you need to change, you want to try and understand how you can go about changing it. And I think that's where Ailuna's strength really comes to the fore. The fact that it's able to deliver digital transformation promise to try and solve sustainability challenges is key.
I teach modules related to responsibility and sustainability at Henley Business School, where we really care about sustainability and sustainability values. I'm going to invite my students to use Ailuna. I think it could be a great tool for engagement, but I also think it would help them to become more sustainable, to be the agents of change that we need in the future, to become more responsible businessmen and businesswomen.
We really like the Ailuna app and highly recommend it. It's simple to use, it has realistic and achievable aims, and it will really help us thrive in our amazing world.
I really like the Ailuna app because it makes sustainability fun. I can change my life one habit at a time and I love it.
We are executing an ambitious roadmap where you will find us introducing a wide range of new technologies and features. And some of the most exciting ones are the ones around teamwork, so you can build new habits as teams.
This has been a phenomenally exciting journey with the team at Ailuna. From the early testing right through to the MVP version, I believe that Ailuna and the team here have the perfect potential to make a massive impact.
Ailuna is Hawaiian and means aiming high. And aiming high is exactly what we do. We are committed to helping drive habits with impact.
The power to change is with people. Ailuna will connect more people every day to actions that change the environment for good. With your help and generosity, Ailuna will become the global go-to platform for people and organizations who want to make the world a better place. Thank you for your support.